Daddy, do I have to work my way up? No, my love, there's no ladder to climb. Then why do they talk like it's earned or it's bought? It matters not now when love is divine. Then how will I find you if ever I'm lost? You keep love burning in your chest, and I will follow the sound it makes, the sound of truth, the sound of rest. Fear not, my little one, even when the night runs deep. For I am the wolf in the shadowed wood who guards the gates of sleep. I'll circle you in silence, I'll mark the lines unseen, and every time you call my name, I'll rise from in between. What is love and where is my heart? Where do I look? How do I start? What if I'm wrong and chase the flame that leads to ruin, not to your name? How will I know which song to sing? How will I feel that holy stink? The one you wore beneath your eye when you said love never dies. Fear not, my wandering flame, the truth still walks in light. And even if you fall too far, I stalk you in the night, not to punish, not to bind, but to break the jaws of fear. I am the wolf who hunts your doubt, so love can draw you near. What if I'm eaten? What if I'm torn? What if I'm shattered, scattered, worn? What if I'm wrong and you never come? What if I die before I'm done? Oh child, oh spark, oh soul I keep, even when you cry and sleep. Even if forever's wide, I walk the edges of your stride. So fear not, my little one. When silence swells and moans, I am the howl that rides the wind to call your spirit home. Not every growl is death's approach, not every night is cursed. Some wolves run with fire in their chest to find the lost ones first. For I am that wolf, the one who stalks, who guards, who waits, who walks your walk. The dark is mine, I shape it true, and in that dark I'll